Hi guys, I'm Jun. Today I'm going to show you how to identify Boeing and Airbus aircrafts, and it is only applicable to following Boeing and Airbus aircrafts. We are going to look at four elements here to identify aircrafts: windshield, landing gears, engines, and fuselage. First, let's move to Airbus aircrafts. It has five types: A320 Family, A330, A340, A350, and A380. First, A320 family, it has four types, from A318 to A321. All of them have one pair of landing gear per side. First, let's look at the general feature of Airbus aircrafts. It has a flat windshield here, red line shows. For A318 and A319, both of them have missing windows in the fuselage. You can see for A318, it has two missing windows. For A319, it has one missing window. Here is the Air France A319. You can see flat windshield, one pair of landing gear, and one missing window. So it's the Airbus A319. For A320, it has a flat windshield, one pair of landing gear, but it has two side-by-side doors in the middle of the fuselage. That's the A320. For A321, it has flat windshield, one pair of landing gear, and four doors on the fuselage. So that's the main feature of the A320. For A330, it's a double aisle, bigger airplane. It has two pairs of landing gears. Flat windshield, if you see this, is A330. In recent years, Airbus just introduced a new version of A330, it's A330neo. The general shape of the fuselage doesn't change, but the windshield you can see is a sunglasses windshield similar to A350. So if you see this type of aircraft, it's still A330. For A340, you can be wrong with this one because it has a flat windshield, single deck, but with four engines. If you see flat windshield, single deck, and four engines, that's A340. For A350, it has a sunglasses windshield, as I mentioned in A330neo, and the shape of the fuselage is very elegant and unforgettable. You can be wrong with this one. It also has two pairs of landing gears. But for A350-1000, it has three pairs of landing gears. Following Boeing 777, it is the second aircraft that has three pairs of landing gears. Here is a China Airlines A350. You can see the sunglasses windshield and the unique shape of the winglet and two pairs of landing gears. For A380, you can be wrong with this one either because it is a true double-decker from the nose to the tail with four engines. Now moving to Boeing aircrafts, it has six types from Boeing 737 to Boeing 787. Compared to Airbus aircrafts, Boeing aircraft has a V-shaped, pointy windshield here, and for Boeing 737, it has one pair of landing gear, V-shaped windshield, so that's Boeing 737. For Boeing 747, it's the queen of the sky, and it's a semi-double-decker. You can see in the front of the fuselage, it has a double-decker here, and with four engines. For Boeing 757, I call it a slim boy, because you can see the bottom of the fuselage is flat, and also has a V-shaped windshield and two pairs of landing gears. Compared to Boeing 757, 767 is a fat boy. It has a round body, also has a V-shaped windshield and two pairs of landing gears. For Boeing 777, as I mentioned in Airbus A350-1000, it also has three pairs of landing gears, but they have different windshield shape. Boeing 777 has a V-shaped windshield, but Airbus A350 has a unique sunglasses windshield. For Boeing 787 Dreamliner, the appearance of the fuselage is elegant too. You can forget this one. but it has a unique pentagon shape windshield, 2 pairs of landing gears, and the chevron nozzle engines here. And I'm going to use this mind map to summarize what I was talking about. First, if you see a semi-double-decker 4 engines, that's Boeing 747. If it has a full double-decker 4 engines, that's Airbus A380. Then look at the windshield shape. If it has a V-shape windshield, it is a Boeing aircraft. If it's a flat windshield, that's Airbus aircraft. If V-shape windshield, 2 engines, 3 landing gears, that's Boeing 777. 1 landing gear is a Boeing 737. 2 engines with 2 pairs of landing gears, unique windshield and chevron nozzle engines, that's Boeing 787. 2 engines, 2 landing gears, round body, that's Boeing 767. Flat body, that's Boeing 757. If it has flat windshield, 4 engines, single deck, that's Airbus A340. Flat windshield, 2 engines, 3 pairs of landing gears, that's A350-1000. 2 engines, 1 landing gear, 4 doors, that's Airbus A321. 1 landing gear, 2 doors side by side in the middle, that's A320. 1 landing gears, 2 missing windows, that's Airbus A318. 1 missing window, that's A319. 2 engines with 2 landing gears, sunglasses windshield, that's A350. 2 landing gears, flat windshield, that's A330. But A330 neo also has a sunglasses windshield, but it's slightly different from the A350. That's all you need to know about how to identify Boeing and Airbus aircrafts. I know that's a lot to remember, but it takes practice and time. So take time and practice, you can remember it. And I'm going to show you 2 more bonus tips about the Boeing 777 and the Airbus A330 because both of them have 2 types of aircrafts. For Boeing 777, 200 and 300, the main difference is that 200 has 4 doors here, 300 has 5 doors here. For A330, 200 and 300, the main difference is between the amount of windows between the first door and the second door. For 300, it has more than 12 windows. So if you see a lot of windows here and it's longer, that's A330 300. And the shorter one is A330 200. I hope you find it helpful, and thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!